Google has announced the official launch date for its next generation of flagship smartphone. The Pixel 8 series, the Pixel 9 lineup is set to succeed. The Pixel 7 series released in October 2022 with the base and Pro model. The company recently leaked the design of the Pro model. From the upcoming lineup, key specification and other phone detail have been doing rounds of the rumors. For the past few weeks now, the Mountain View, California-based tech giant has confirmed the launch date of the Pixel 8 series. Soon after, Apple announced the launch date of its iPhone 15 series. In a video advertisement posted by the X handle of made by the Google, the company confirmed that the Pixel 8 series will launch on October 4. The series is expected to come with the base Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro models. The company will host the event in New York starting at 10 a.m. local time on the day. Apple announced that the iPhone 15 series will be revealed on September 12 at an event named Wonderlist to be held at Apple Park in Cupertino, California. The event will also available for live streaming on apple.com and the Apple TV app starting at 10 a.m. local time. In the recently leaked Pixel 8 Pro design, the smartphone was spotted in porcelain white color away, and also it looked similar to the Pixel 7 Pro. The triple rear camera system appeared to be placed in a single pill shake unit. On the camera island, there are already rumors around the Pixel 8 lineup. The phone could have an improved ultra-wide camera, and Google may add a new add power feature to its camera system. The phone will also likely see some display and design tweaks, but the change are expecting. There is no much time left for the unveiling of the new Pixel 8 lineup. So stay tuned for the channel for the latest update.